I want to show you my makeup kit as a travel MUA. It is very stressful, and I've done many videos of how I do it when I go to Mexico, but this time was a little different because when I do makeup in Mexico, I would always do it upstairs in my studio, and I have like a designated like room with drawers and etc. And this time I had to really be mindful and pack for as if I were freelancing in the States. Had to change my battery. But like I was saying, the chair that I brought with me was a purchase from Mercado Libre, which is Mexico's Amazon. And I was very thankful to my mom for even reminding me about that, because if I didn't, I would not have a chair tall enough for me at the venue. And then like, if you guys follow me on TikTok, you would have seen that the table situation was also the same thing, and I should have known better, but there was no tables there, so I just had to like makeshift a table for myself. It was like a little cart. This is so good. It's the electrolyte in horchata flavor. It's so yummy. Anyways, let me just start off with where I put my kit. I put everything on the carry-on bag that I had with me, and I felt more comfortable that way, and I put everything in 3.4 fluid ounce containers. I didn't have to worry about leaving everything in a quart-size bag because I've traveled many times to Mexico and they're not really strict on the whole bag situation. I don't know about anywhere else, like in another country, they might be a bit more strict on that rule, but when you go to Mexico, you could pretty much take as many liquids as you want. You don't have to be restricted to a little bag. But I did put some in a bag just so that it wouldn't mess up anything. So I brought my D'Alba spray, I brought my One Size, a alcohol spray, and my Charlotte Tilbury. I'm actually gonna repress the glitter shadow from my Pat McGrath palette because that cannot break on me. And pat it with a paper towel to make sure it's very tight in there. Yeah, these shadows are super sensitive. Like, I don't even know why I brought them. I'm scared. Okay, and I didn't even use them. Okay, the next thing I brought is this mirror. I actually have, like, I kept this here in Mexico, so I'm gonna leave it here again. I brought the Makeup by Mario Mattes palette, the original. I brought this container. I actually brought this from here, from my studio, so I'm gonna leave this here. I'm just gonna take the stuff that I brought back from over there. I know this is kind of confusing, you guys, but some of these things are from here just because it saves me more space and I didn't have to worry about that. So again, this is gonna stay here. Okay. And for eyelashes, I brought my regular thing from over there, some individuals. I brought my Beauty Creations palette from the collab with Luis Torres. I love it. I brought this Morphe tub with a bunch of brushes. I kind of thought about how many girls I was gonna do, and I just threw it in here. Makeup wipes. This is where I kept my dirty brushes and the dirty towel, which reminds me I need to probably start cleaning these so that I don't have as much work when I come back. I brought stuff to clean my brushes, like gloves, zote soap, and some Cinema Secrets. Oh, my micellar water wasn't here. I was so upset with myself that I didn't bring any, but it's in here. The one thing I did forget though is paper towels. I forgot because I was like, oh, I'll just bring some from over there. And I completely forgot. Okay, and then the main compartment where the kit was in is this mini Reliable bag, and this is where I was working out of. So it looks like this, very packed. Okay. I tried to pull out my selfie light so there's like better lighting. Again, this is how the kit looks like. On top, I brought my fan, some concealers. I brought 3 from Natasha Denona, 2 from Jeffree Star, a brow gel, my hair clips, and then my eyelash curler. These I just bought here from Mexico. It's the Prosa mascara, the black one. These are waterproof and I really love them. I swear by these now, and they cost 45 pesos, which is around maybe like $2 or so. Even cheaper than Essence waterproof, which I do carry in my collection of makeup. And then in here I brought all my pencils. So Sephora Collection is the brand that I use for eyeliners. So I brought a plum, brown, black, and nude. I have a Makeup by Mara lip liner, Charlotte Tilbury, another Charlotte Tilbury lip liner, brow pencils from Sephora collection and L'Oreal, and this Fenty lip liner brow pencil from L'Oreal. I have a pencil sharpener, but this one stays here. Brought my little slinky. Brought some scissors, my little quartz roller, my little bowl. Brought all of my single shadows from Patrick Ta just so that I could make sure that if I needed a shimmer, I had him. I know. These are also really sensitive. You have to be super careful. Don't throw them like what I just did. I brought my trusty Moon Dust shadows from Urban Decay. Kind of just squished them in the front. And over here in this corner, I brought my Hourglass palettes. I love these. I always use them to like blend out if I see that it's a bit too harsh, like the bronzer or the blush, and also for mature clients or anyone who's dry skinned. And my face palettes from One Size. I still need to like sanitize everything. I might do that right now after I finish this video. Okay, and then I brought my Patrick Ta Duo blushes because, you know, duh, less things to carry because they have both cream and powder. And then I brought a bunch of bronzers because I feel like that's one thing like I need in my collection. I brought my YSL #2 bronzer. I love her. She is very worn in, as you can see. Then I brought my Hourglass and Radiant Bronze Light. This is beautiful. Again, it's just like super diffused. I love Hourglass powders. I brought my cream bronzer palette. This is a lifesaver, especially since it's depotted. And oh, I did bring my brow powders from Anastasia. I'm so glad I found this palette from Kit Pack because it's so small and it fits perfectly in my kit. Brought two of the Dior palettes. This is the old one in Universal and this is the newer packaging in Peach Glow. I brought my Gucci #2 bronzer. This one is breaking on me, like the packaging and the powder. So I don't know, guys, like I love this powder, but it's super sensitive, unfortunately. Like be very careful with it. It's very fragile, but love the formula, love the packaging. It's like aesthetically pleasing, of course, but you have to be careful. This mineralized skin finish and Give Me Sun. Fenty's In the Sun bronzer. I love this for really pale girlies. For foundation, you guys, I only brought 3 because you don't need much. I brought NARS's Longwear in Hue Hine. I also brought the NARS shade in Siberia and then a House Labs in Fair Warm. The House Lab was a bit more pinky toned. This light one from NARS is a bit more yellow undertoned. And if I needed to deepen anything up, I used Hue Hine from NARS, and that was honestly all I needed. I brought my Glossier eye pencil sharpener. Of course, some hand sanitizer. #77 from Inglot. These were the primers that I brought. I brought Danessa Myricks' Yummy Skin, the e.l.f. Power Grip, Bobbi Brown's Enriched Face Base, and Hourglass's Vanish. Didn't use her, but you know, it's good to have. My First Aid Beauty facial pads. Under eye corrector from Charlotte Tilbury in the shade 1. A little bit of Vaseline in case my client's eyes are super watery. e.l.f.'s Brow Lift along with the Laneige lip treatment. This is in the flavor Mango. I brought my Body Glow from Sol de Janeiro and I brought it in this little container so it's not like so estorboso. The About Face. This is perfect. It's a white cream eyeshadow and I like to put it in the inner corner to brighten up my client's eye when I do a cut crease. Some Inglot Duraline. 2 lip glosses I brought was the Huda Beauty in the shade Bombshell and Daisy Pink from Flawless, of course. I brought Fenty Beauty's Sweet Mouth. I'm really low on her as well. These are probably my favorite lip glosses in my kit. Then I brought 2 of the lip creams from Anastasia in the shade Softy and Rosy Mauve. I brought my Illumi from L'Oreal. I love this cream highlighter. If you guys have not depotted your powders, you need to do this because it's such a game changer. This is Cupcake from Huda, Cherry Blossom, and Pound Cake. And my mini finger palette. And then last but not least, on top of here, I just brought some brown eyeliners just in case, you never know. And I did bring goodie bags. Like every client that I get gets one. So it just includes like under eye patches, tissue, you know, the whole touch-up kit with their sponge and puff. So I brought an extra one just in case because you never know. And I have another selfie light that broke on me, but that's what I use to take pictures. It's a little ghetto, but it works. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hoped you guys enjoyed seeing that. I know it was kind of hectic. It wasn't really aesthetically pleasing to watch probably, but that's just my reality. I hope you guys liked seeing it, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know down below and I will answer them. But thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.